Hey guys, welcome back to another Joe Mueller fast food review. Today we are headed to Smashburger and I am getting a double bacon smash, guys. I got a coupon, free double burger, and I'm going to take advantage of it today. Up next, stay tuned. All right, guys, and here it is in all of its fine glory, the double bacon smash from Smashburger. And I'm going to pop the top. I got some lettuce, and I got some mayonnaise, I got tomato, I got my onion strings. They call them onion straws. I got bacon, and I got bacon, guys. This looks absolutely fantastic. We're going to give this a shot, and I'm going to tell you exactly what I think. Okay, guys. This looks really, really good. It smells absolutely delicious. And I can't wait to take my first bite. All right. What do we say? Salud. Wow. This is really a great burger, guys. It is overflowing with flavor. Oh, yeah. Deep, rich. The bacon, smoky. Tomatoes are nice and light and fresh and sweet. This is really a good burger, guys. And I love these onion straws. They actually call them haystack. I don't know why they're called haystack, but that's what they're called. So basically, I got 2 bacon double smashes with the haystack onions, and that came out to a total of 20 bucks. Buy one, get one free. All I had to pay was 10, guys. What a bargain. What a bargain. I just couldn't resist. Oh, yeah. It is nice and juicy. Bursting with flavors, guys. It is perfect. I don't know what to say. I think I need some water. Definitely, this is indeed filling too. But satisfying. I'm losing some of my bacon straws, guys. This is definitely a 10 plus, knocked it out of the park here. Really good. And you absolutely cannot beat the price. I just can't believe normally it would be 20 bucks just for the 2 burgers. Oh yeah. It is a smashing hit. Mm.